lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace for me wrist. And the eyes for the chain them a drip. My lifestyle rich. Tell them a name.
Guys, it's Friday, December the 30th. Oh my gosh, one more day left in 2016. I'm with the bro and we are walking to the pond because we never got to, well, I never got to see it the last time in daylight. So that we are gonna do, and then I'll come back. Hopefully, I don't know if daddy are gonna drop me before because I need to shave, right? I need to shave. Into the airport today to go pick up. Yeah, go and skate, man, skate. I'm going to the airport today. Woohoo! I'm going to the airport today. I'm going to the airport today to go pick up two important people. And then I am going on a road trip till tomorrow. And then I'm going to come back home because it's New Year's Eve and whatever. We're probably going to go to Pier 1, watch fireworks. And then I'm not 100% sure what else there is to do. I know I definitely want to go out, if not New Year's Eve, then New Year's. But, yeah. So, yeah, that's what we're going to... Tajil, man, we don't have time for this. Why you have to do this all the time? So I'm going to, like, walk place with you sometime because you just turn fool. You have to play with every single dog? Anyhow, so yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Yeah, like I was saying, I want to come back home because, you know, it's New Year's and whatever. Although I can spend New Year's with my family, with my friends. It's not often I get to spend New Year's with my family, so I will spend New Year's with my familia, maybe, depending on what it is that we really plan to honestly do. Where am I going? And this is our little, what do you want to call this? Little forest. Oh God. Hoodland? Hoodland? Oh Jesus. So tell you no snake and something them no around here, so. He said he seen a turtle yesterday, so I heard a noise. Don't fuck with me. On a fishing hook. I joke. Yo, so what if you do cry? So what if you do cry?
Yeah.
No.
You will cry, ball.
Ball for what? Laughter keeps you young. You hear my friend?
Okay.
Laughter is good for the heart. You know about everything. Cancer cannot be good for the heart. Gunshot cannot be good for the heart. A stab in the heart cannot be good for the heart. So, I don't know about everything.
Walking is good for the heart.
Walking is good for the heart.
Balling is good for the
I don't know about balling. That make people stress out dead. Remember when I used to walk over here when I was by myself?
Really?
Yeah, I used to come over, like back over this, so. And whatever. Nothing, no pan when they're around here, so them time they. Well, it never used to look so because I don't remember it. Yeah. After the realization was over, you know, the initial scare and stuff was over, I'd laugh. Like I want to walk side this when I walk in a Lord, me walk in a pan. Me walk in a water. What? All the more reason for me go fling on bad suit and come out here. Me look like idiot? Make that add a little chlorine me come. Yeah. So you guys, I'm at the airport. I'm picking up Sandy. Now I can tell you guys. I'm so excited. Oh my god. After my wait all day, I'm gonna sweat out the whole of my clothes. Yeah, you. We gonna pick up my woman. I'm a girl. Oh my god, I'm so excited. This is like the first. These are the first few that I'm gonna see. And then,
Where you from?
Toronto.
When you leaving?
What?
When are you leaving?
Now.
Leaving now?
Yep. All right. Okay. Okay. Oh, you guys. I knew this shit would happen. I knew what the bag would have bust, you know. I knew what the bag would have embarrassed me and bust. To bomb. Oh my god. Look at this. My bag broke. Anyhow, me fix it. Look at this must fix. My auntie had a seamstress. This must fix. Anyhow. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get them. They said they're at this side. By Island Grill there. At this side me there. So I'm gonna go pick them up. Yeah, you. Oh my god. Ross. Okay. They said Highland Grill. I don't want them to see me before me see them. That's the only thing. So yeah. Hold on. Let's go inside. Everyone meet Sammy. If you don't know who Sammy is, she is the other half to Sammy and Sandy life. Now, just take a look at her face. Look how excited she looks to see her Oman in real life. Yes, this is my Oman. My everything. But if you don't know who Sammy is, I will be leaving a link to their channel in the description box below. And if you don't know who she is, head over to her channel and check her out and tell them that I sent you there. Now let's resume to the video. Oh my god. Yo, I'm like, I want to make sure we see them and them don't see me. Hi, Sammy. My woman come, yeah, you should come. Now everyone meet Sandy. She is the other half to Sammy and Sandy life. This is Sammy's sister in real life. Yes, they are sisters and they have a YouTube channel. So head over there and check them out and let them know that I sent you there. Now, Sandy, do you see her face? That face is only smiling for one reason and one reason only. And it's sitting beside her in the front seat. Now let's resume to the video. Alright, journey to Portland. No. Me love my fatty. Bye funny batty. Me love my fatty. You guys, we reach KFC now with their Ochi. We take plane and we reach. They're hungry. Sir. Them hungry, so we go eat. Samantha go buy the whole of the menu. Yeah, yo! When YouTube are link up. Yo!
When hungry belly people. Sunday, me not going to see him.
Oh my God! Oh God!
Sam, you're not getting
You guys, this is the problem with KFC. Not Jesus Christ!
We're really not getting a KFC tonight.
You know the sad thing about it?
half hour.
Oh God!
What is that, sir?
Mama, you can't buy them, just go on container street. You can't buy them something.
How what I'm there?
You can't buy them.
What size?
But see, I'm saying there, you can't buy them. I'm not say for your plane just land.
I want to spend a plastic bag.
Yeah, for sure. I'm afraid I can't put on the carpet.
So why she couldn't buy it?
Beer, you can't buy it.
Feel we air freshener them that look so. No, I feel like me go dead.
Don't go dead.
I feel like me go dead. I'm gonna die.
Sam, you want to drive?
Me go mad. No, sir.
Don't drive off yet.
So this happened. We not reach KFC tonight. We not reach.
Log to.
When you look to the back side of me, I see look to the back chunk.
It's over the gear.
Oh. It's supposed to be right here somewhere.
Jesus Christ, my foot cramp up.
Can you have it cock up in a front? Me say all uno have man a yard about. Yeah? Can me not have no seat for cock up foot in a and thing.
Been a drive flat, you know.
You want me hold the phone for you or something?
All these things.
Asha, you see?
All these things. You understand, tell her? Yeah. Backside. We might not reach Ross, me step in a hand's nest. It's a baby! Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Oh my God.
So what you got?
Right there.
I don't know. Oh God. Oh God. Where? Why ants love bite me? Why? Or why me love play with them? Why? Jesus. Savior divine. Huh? What is the one right there? I don't want to shine it, but shine it. Things are going, people are arguing, police stop somebody. I lose 2 pounds since we reached Jamaica. Don't do me so. Okay? Yeah. How much more me feel lose? Who? I don't know about that. Everybody love fatty now. Everybody want pie. You understand? Me too. Me too. Me too. What you mean? No, this maga dong now. I want to go back to like one time. You never have one time. I swear, Sammy and Sandy are the only people I know who have a flight to catch but still make it in time to go to the mall. I mean, I have no credit. Somebody sent me $150 and put on my plan. Okay? I'm just like super excited right now. Oh shit, I got Christmas presents to finish. I'll be back. Oh God. They asked me. We said zinger, yeah you. There will be girls, them and now Shaday, pick up yourself, show them, show
Yeah, you.
show them.
Welcome to Poland. If you put the truck in the reverse, what's that gonna do?
Reverse. Yo, this is the journey for reach up here, so people. Let me put my phone back in. You see the journey for reach up here?
It looks like Patel said that you know, say look like a girl. No, say look like Shaday in the fashion date.
Shaday, I don't know where you live. Huh? She don't know. She make we come up the hill. Tell we say we gone too far. We make the wrong turn and on the right hill we go.
Yeah, she don't know what she live.
Hello? No, we did as take time come back up because we didn't want to come up too far. You dep on the actual road or alright, she dep on the actual road. So this comes straight up. So we drive past the
Methodist Church.
Ray, I know we won. Alright. Oh, you see us? Alright. She said she did have the same problem at the door with the girl. And she did tell Asha for them to change her. The people that probably ask how which dirty idiot girl ever make so much noise in our scheme. Shaday, big body Shaday. Oh my God, put up friend Shaday. Yo, we can't manage. Everyone meet Shaday, aka Day, aka Pastor Day, aka Bright as Day. That is the name of her YouTube channel. I will leave the link in the description box below. Do you guys see Shaday's face? Like, by this point in time, me and Sammy were already talking, bonding in the car and everything. So the anticipation to just make it to Portland was like, you know, because it was a hell of a long drive from Montego Bay to Portland. So by the time we got there, we were so amped to meet Shaday. And yeah, so this was the first time I got to meet Shaday, and as you can see, it was bare excitement and bare things, and yeah. Now let's resume to the rest of the vlog. Yo, what am I gonna do you now?
Yeah, you go up in the lane.
Yes, Patel, go on up in the lane.
No, we're going on Snapchat. Take it off of the camera.
Yummy breakfast in a bed. Go there, me. We still have fever grass? Huh? Okay. Ready to draw. Yo, when you're spoiled,